Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 20, 2022. 4 star Sudoku. 6th grade. We have 5. So 5 can't come. These cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row. 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade. We have 3. So 3 can't come. These cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade. 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. Sorry, 5th row. 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. Column D, we have 1, 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, we have 4 and 7, so 4 and 7 can't come in the cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2 and 9, so 2 and 9 can't come in the cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 5, 3, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row and 4th row, we have pair numbers, 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 7. 4th row and 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. In column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 5. It will come here one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 7. 10th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. And 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, column G, we have 6. Then 6 will come in one of the cells. Oh, 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row and 3rd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 8th also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 8th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third card, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column H we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 7th grade, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 6 also here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then the column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 2. 8th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 9th grade, in the column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.